Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a custom link on PartnerStack. So once you're in PartnerStack, go ahead and find your partners or the partner that you wish to create a custom link for. So let's say I want to create a custom link for PartnerStack. I'm going to click on PartnerStack right here on the left hand side. As you can see the name right here, or I could easily go ahead and click on my partners or your partners on the upper right, and it's going to open up all my partners here on the right. So I'm going to go ahead and find one in the list. I'm going to go ahead and click on partner stack right here as an example. And on the left hand side, I'm going to go ahead and click on links. Here you want to go ahead and scroll down and you will find create a custom link. Click on that. And from here, you can go ahead and choose whatever. So let's say I want to type in Drew tutorial. I'm going to go ahead and type that in. And I'm going to just basically say whatever it is. I'm going to go ahead and say Drew tutorial channels. I'm going to go ahead and say YouTube channel as an example. And that's for me to just basically put in some description right here. Scroll down a bit and you want to go ahead and here you'll find that it shows the link destination so that you know that this is PartnerStack affiliate. Then from here, go ahead and type in your custom link. So then I'm going to go ahead and fill in the Drew Toots. For example, let's say I want to say Drew Toots and go ahead and scroll all the way down. Ensure that there's nothing more for you to click on and just go ahead and click and create link. And you will see right here that it creates the link successfully. The link is now created and you can see that the links are available right here. So here's Drew Toots. Here's another one that I've created and you can find those links right here very easily. And that's pretty much it. If at any point in time you feel like you want to remove a custom link, you go ahead and follow the same steps that I showed you how to open up those partners. Go ahead and click on link on the left hand side or links on the left hand side. Scroll down, you will find those links and you can expand them and you can go ahead and let's say deactivate this link or click on the bin icon. Go ahead and click on that, then click deactivate and it's going to remove the link right there for you. And that link will no longer be available. And that's pretty much it, guys. So if you're looking to create links, this is how you do it, guys. And it is as easy as that. If you find value in this video, give this video a like. And if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button to become a part of this growing community. And also so that you'll never miss out on future videos when I show you how to use PartnerStack or other tools just like this one. Thank you guys for watching and see you in the next video.